again. Connected out of nowhere. Am I live now? Yes, a new live has started. Okay, X platform was live, but YouTube got disconnected. No reason. Mm, so, people. Okay. So all my new users, really sorry for this interruption of this live stream. I hope you will join this live stream again. I don't know why. See, X platform live is going smoothly. The YouTube stopped in between for no reason. The server got disconnected. I don't know how. And then it's now I reconnected the server. So it is going. Okay. So it's going. Cool. So, to all my new users who is out there looking for a platform for trading and starting their crypto journey, this is one of the best platform I would suggest to all of my new users. And not just because of this platform is one of the best friend like beginner friendly platform, and you can have a lot of easy tools, easy way to take a trading. We have open for two options, one is spot, one is future. It is not only for that, but it has more bigger thing which you should be knowing, that is a new user reward we are offering, not a deposit amount like every, like most of the crypto platform they offer you a deposit amount that this is a money you can start trading with my our money and blah. But rather than doing that, we thought like we could offer you something which is much more bigger than that. That is offering you first ever crypto asset, that too for free of cost, without any charges, from zbit.com. Like you can see, there are three steps which you can which you have to follow, which you have to complete, and then you will be getting your first ever crypto asset into your wallet from zbit.com. What are those three steps which you need to complete, and how you can get hold into your hand the first ever crypto asset which you will be getting from zbit.com? And you can see the options as well in front of you. We are offering you 8 options in which you will be getting one. Okay, so we are offering you Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, Pepecoin, Shiba Inu, and one mysterious coin which will be a mystery. Well, it can be a good stable coin, it can be a good meme coin, it depends on that. Like, it's a mystery coin. Okay, this mystery Solana, which I know, so I disclosed it. This mystery I don't know, so I don't know, so I cannot disclose it. Okay, so this is the lucky wheel, which you will be getting after completing the first step. Every step will be followed with a reward, and you will be receiving that after completing the step. The first step which you need to complete is registration. You need to register yourself with email address and password. It's simple. Let's open an account. Just give some information like your country code, the email address, your passport, password you have to create, because obviously you will be trading into the world's most valuable item right now. That is a valuable, most valuable currency, that is a cryptocurrency. So you have to make sure that you are protecting it with your password so that you won't forget it, because that is a key to your wealth, your financial freedom. So make sure that you are putting a good password. Click on this agree to sign up, and then sign up. That's it, your first step is completed. And for this one very simple step, we are offering you a free cryptocurrency. That is your first step of getting a cryptocurrency. This free spin will be given to you after completing and creating an account. Once you create an account, you have to tap and spin it. It will rotate, 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 and see. See, we don't have any things, like we don't know who will get what. It depends on an algorithm, to be very, very specific, to be very, very fair. So it will depend on algorithm what kind of coin you will be receiving. You are going to receive an altcoin, season coin, meme coin, blah blah blah. I don't know which one will be receiving. So once the spin is done, an algorithm will do his job, but for that you need one link for high chances. Because see, I know everybody's eyes are on Bitcoin and Ethereum right now, because they are the most valuable coins out there. So for that, you have to tap on my link. Where is that link? You- Yeah, that's my link. That is my link. Yeah, I've shared you in my live comment section. You can see that that's the link for you to download the app. It is right now available for all the Android people. For the website people, for the iOS people, we are not available right now, and we are very sorry for that. But you can simply come to the website and do that. Okay, it is not an issue in that. You can simply just come, do it on the website. It is also working. And for the app, if you want to have an app, then you have to download, like all the Android people can use it, because it is right now available for the iOS people, not for the it's right now available for the Android people, not for the iOS people. Sorry, my bad, my bad. Okay, so first step, registration. You opened your account, you got your first ever spin, the lucky spin which you'll be receiving, that is for your cryptocurrency. And once you got that free spin, you will be taken, you will be given that xyz, and you will get to know which coin you got, what quantity. You can see the quantity as well over here. We are giving you this quantity, which you can see 0 0.1, 0 0.001, 0. The coins which are high valued, we are giving you less quantity, obviously. And the coin which is little less value, we are giving you a big quantity for it. Okay, this is just a first step, and trust me, more two steps are gonna give you a big massive rewards for all of you people. So stay tuned for all the new users. This is all for you. Do not forget to share this rewards to maximum people out there, so that you can take advantage of all this new use reward for all people. So second task is completing a KYC. It is not even a task. We are offering you the like things which is very like easy things we are offering. We are not giving you some things like you have to go here, go there, you have to do this, share it to that people, blah 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 blah. No, these are the mandatory steps that you need to complete. KYC is a very mandatory step at any platform, financial platform you go. You have to complete a KYC. You have to identify yourself that you are a genuine person, you are not a fake person, and blah. Okay. So in that situation, now what you got to do is KYC. Just give your any identification proof. It can be your driving license, passport, Aadhaar card, whatever it is, and then you will be receiving a second reward. That second reward is a double bonus reward. Now you are getting a chance not to have that one cryptocurrency which you got from the free spin. That is one. But with the second reward, it can be one plus one. That is a double bonus reward. Whatever quantity will be multiplied by the two, which is basically buy one get one free reward. Okay, and that is a, and that buy one get one free is not for a cloth, branding, shoe, accessories, blah, but it's for the most valuable asset out there in the world right now, that is a cryptocurrency. Now, Zibit is offering you a chance to win a double bonus reward, buy one, get one free cryptocurrency by just completing a simple steps. Second step was KYC, in which you get a double bonus reward, and that is a chance. 50% people will get it, 50% people won't get it. Okay, but now you will be feeling that it is a little sad news that only 50 people 50% people will be getting, and rest 50% won't be getting it. But you don't have to worry. Why? Because third step is actually better than the second step, and it is mandatory for each and everybody out there. Everybody can have the second reward, sorry, third reward. Everybody can have a third reward, and that reward is much more better than the first and the second. Now what can be better than buy one get one free? What if I tell you that by completing a third simple step, that is deposit your amount? You have to make your capital account, and that for that you have to deposit. So for depositing in a capital account, obviously you need money. So $10 and more, if you invest $10 or more than $10 is nothing in INR, it is just 900 INR. Okay, so approximately if you invest 900 INR into the account, and with that 900 INR, you can get a chance to win more than, like, you cannot imagine what is the reward. But do not forget the condition, $10 or more. No 9, no 8, no 6, no 5. It should be $10 and more. Okay. If you invest $10 and more, you will be getting the third reward. What is that third reward? Third reward is a chance for you to get a surprise multiplier. Now, the surprise multiplier is not like the first, the second one, like buy one get one. No, the surprise multiplier can give you a chance of buy one get five free. Are you getting my point? It sounds very unimaginable, that it is very like fairy tale kind of system, like how I can get from buy like from getting the first reward. Like you got in a first reward you got one cryptocurrency. Now the third reward, just by depositing an amount $10 or more, you are getting a chance to win more five cryptocurrencies. That is just multiplying it. Okay, for example, if you get 0.1, XRP. Now that 0.1 XRP with the third step, third reward will give you a chance from making it into 5, maybe into 10, maybe into 20, maybe into 30, maybe into 40, maybe into 50, 60, 70, 80, up to 100. That is our surprise multiplier for all of you people. You will be getting a chance to get your quantity high, 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 up to where from 5x to 100x it will come. You can have maybe 5x, you can have maybe 100x, you can have up to 5 to 100x. Okay, in between anything can come. Okay, so the least amount of people can get 5x, highest amount of people can get 100x, in between average people can get anything 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, anything they can get. This is one of these things which is giving you a opportunity to make your quantity big, because once you make a quantity big it will make you a good profit, good conversion. Like, see, after getting that coin into your wallet, you are the owner of that. If you want to convert it, you can convert it. If you want to use it for anything, like you want to trade it, you can trade it. You want to sell it, you can sell it. You can buy more and hold more. You can do whatever you feel like to do, because that's what a digital currency offers. It offers a freedom. We are offering you a freedom that you need. Okay, so with this freedom, in just simple 3 steps, you are getting a chance to win not just your first crypto asset, but making it 100 times bigger as well. Who is giving you that offer in this whole industry? Nobody. So please make sure that you are taking the new user reward through my link. Download my link, from like tap onto my link. It will direct you to the Google Play Stores or whatever, and from there you can download the app and follow those 3 simple steps. Register your account. You will be getting your first crypto asset without anything. Second step, you complete your KYC, you will be getting your chance to win double bonus reward, making 1 plus 1. Okay, chance. 50% people may can get it, 50% people may not get it. But third step is deposit. You have to, obviously, once if you have to take a trade, you need a capital account. You need money into your capital account so that you can start doing trading. For that, if you invest $10 or more than $10, you will be getting a third reward, which is surprise multiplier. Getting your crypto asset, whatever quantity you will be getting, multiplying it by 5. Okay, it is not double, it's not triple, it's not 4. It starts 5. So the person least he can get is 5x. 1 multiplied by 5. One coin can be calculated as a 5 coin. 0.1 can be calculated as 0.5. You get my point? The quantity increase, the value of that currency will increase, obviously. I will show you an example of Bitcoin and Solana for that surprise multiplier thing, like how you can calculate and how you can see from the start what quantity with what price, and by the third step what quantity what price you can have in your hand without by doing anything, just following 3 simple steps: download, register, KYC, deposit, start doing trading. That's all, and you can have the first ever crypto asset into your wallet in which you are the owner. You can do whatever you want to do. Just imagine, like right now, and corporate people are buying crazily all the cryptocurrency, not all the main ones, Bitcoin and Solana. And sorry, Bitcoin and Ethereum. But Solana and XRP's ETF is about to come. And if you get your Solana or XRP in your hand from this free spin, then you have high chance to hold it, because Solana and XRP are not in a very huge price range. They are in a very limited price range. They have more potential to go up to 500,000, 2,000, 3,000 kind of range. So if you want to go into that range, get your first ever crypto asset into your hand from zbit.com. Now let me just show you 2 examples. One for stablecoin I will show you, that is Bitcoin, and one for altcoin, that is Solana. I will show you what kind of value you can have in your hand just by simply investing into the crypto market. I can actually do that. So let me just show you what you can have. I am going to show you for Bitcoin and for Solana as well. Okay. Let me just remove these things. Zbits new user rewards. Zbits new user reward. We are discussing for Bitcoin. So let's just first see what is the value of one Bitcoin right now. Okay, so that we can compare the quantity and each and every of those things. Value of one Bitcoin, which we can see in the market right now, is 119040. 119040. I'm taking the current market price. Okay, this is the current market price right now. It's trading at 119040. Okay, and that is USD. Cool. This is a value of one. We are not offering you one. We are giving you something else. Now from here it will start. Okay, I just wanted to make a value like this is where we will start from. Okay, one BTC is this much. Now first step, we'll go step by step. Okay, we'll go step by step. First step is to register. Register. What reward are you getting? You are getting a first ever crypto asset. When just imagine, like, if you got Bitcoin quantity, you can see over here 0.001. What is the quantity? 0.001. Reward is reward is 0.001 BTC. Now, how much a 0.001 BTC will value? We'll ask ChatGTP. Tell me the value of 0.01. The value of 0.01 BTC is 119. So what, how much amount of quantity you will be getting? 119 USDT worth of BTC you will be getting. What is 119 worth of BTC? It is nothing other than 0.001 BTC, which you will be getting from the free spin from the first step, that is your registration. Like I told you. Okay, this is your first reward. First step, registration. Reward, what you got is 0.001 BTC, which is worth over 119 USDT. First step. Now let's go for second step. Second step. Second step is your KYC. Once you complete your KYC, what reward are you getting? You are getting a double bonus reward. But there is an if. What is that if? Only 50% of people might get it and 50% people won't get it. That is an if over there. There is a chance You may get it or you may not get it. Okay. So reward is double triple bonus, which is nothing other than 0.001 multiply by 2, which will become obviously 0.0002 BTC. What is the value of 0.002 BTC? That's our ChatGPT of 0.0. Slow and steady wins the race. Okay, so value of 0.002 BTC comes around $238.16. Let's go back. Right over here, 238.16 USDB. Okay, so this is, can you just see the difference between the first reward to the second reward we have came into? Second reward is double bonus reward, which is making the quantity multiplied by 2. Simple. Okay. In that situation, you got 0.002 BTC, 0.001 multiplied by 2 becomes 0.002 BTC, which is valued at 238.16 USDT. Okay. But it is an if situation. Why? Because 50% people will get it, 50 people might not get it. Like chance. But the third one is not an if. It is for everybody. What is the third reward? Third step. Third step is deposit 10 USD or more. 10 deposit 10 USDT or more. Okay. Remember 10 USDT or more. What is your reward for that? Reward is surprise multiplier. Surprise multiplier, which can come from the range of 5x or it can go up to 100x. This is a surprise multiplier we are offering. Now, in that situation, there are two consequences will come. What are the two situations while might occur in front of you? For one, I will see surprise multiplier will be everybody will get something different. But the least is what? 5x. Least is 5x. I will just do for 5x. That's it. I won't go for 10, 20, 30, 40 because 10 is a very common answer. 10 is a very common answer. 10, 20, 30 is a very common surprise multiplier which you will be getting. But still, let me just take it for the 5 because a lot of people they always go for rather than going for the highest expectation, they see what is my lowest expectation. So lowest to lowest expectation will be 5. Let's do it for 5. Now why I did 2? Because First reward is 0.001 and second is a chance. So I'll be doing it for one is for 0.001, the people who don't get the double bonus reward, and I will also be doing it for 0.002, the people who get the double bonus reward. Okay, so they both know what kind of value you might end up having in your hand. So let's do it for first 0.001. Who are those people? The people who did not get the double bonus reward. Multiplied by 5, lowest expectation, lowest, the complete lowest expectation, 5, what will become 0.005 BTC, which is equal to, let's cast 0.005 BTC. Thunder. Okay, so 0.005 values at $595.40. That's the value over here, 595.40 USD. Okay. Second, we will be going to do for those people who got the double bonus reward. Level 5, which will equal to 0.01 BTC, which will be equal to which is equal to $1,190. Money, money, money. This is now these are the three steps. First, first step, second step, third step. At every step you got reward, reward, reward. Every step is giving you one reward. Every step is offering you something which you will be having as a reward. Now you started from what? 0.001 level, which we are offering you in that free spin. Okay, it was 119, 119. Then in the second you got a chance, 50% people might take it and make it 238, but by the end you start from the first by 119. At the third step you are getting a chance to make it either almost 600 600 USDT, or maybe you are getting a chance to make it 1009 1190 USDT. That is a huge amount to have. That is actually a very huge amount, and that is just getting you for this simple step: registration, KYC, and deposit of 10,000 USDT. That is into your capital account. And obviously people actually deposit more than that. Okay, they don't deposit this much less. They actually tend to deposit more than this. But you are getting an option by not doing anything. By not doing anything, you are getting an option to make your wallet from 119 to 1190. This much opportunity you are having, and if you are losing this opportunity, trust me, you will be one of the most foolish person I've ever seen, because this is one of those reward which everybody wants to have their hand on. Getting a free cryptocurrency from the platform is not a joke, because broke is a joke. Let's go for Solana. I will do it. I will do the same calculations for Solana so that you are having an understanding of what you may can expect from Solana as well. Okay, so first let's just mention what is one Bitcoin's value. Sorry, one Solana's value. One Sol is equal to current right now market price going at 194. 194.12, but it's fine. I won't take 0.2. 194, 194 USDT is a current value price for the Solana. Okay, this is the current market price. Now let's go by step. At every step we'll see from first step to third step how much price hike you are getting. Like I told you in this Bitcoin, that once you got, okay, like I told you this one very specific thing, that Bitcoin like every step will grow your quantity, and with increase of quantity you will be increasing your value as well. You saw 0.001 values at 119, increase the quantity to 238, increase more quantity 595 USDT, more quantity 1190 USDT. Every step is giving you a chance to increase that value, and this surprise multiplier is from 5x to 100. I took the lowest expectation. 5 is the lowest. Below 5 you cannot get. You will get 5, and from there you can get 10 as well, 20 as well, but the lowest expectation I kept 5. Okay, now we are doing it for Solana. More we go on increasing the value quantity, the more profit increases. Okay, remember this situation. Now let's go for first situation, first step. What is our first step? Obviously it is a register. You have to register into our platform, create an account, open your crypto exchange platform account. Now what is the reward for that? you will be getting 0.1 SOL Solana. What is a 0 point Solana's value? Let's check it out. Let's ask him 0.1 Solana value. It gave So the value of 0 point 0.1 Solana is 19.46 USDT. Cool. 19.46 USD. 19 first step registration reward. First step reward is what? 0 point 0.1 Solana, which will be getting from where? From this free spin. Okay. Now that 0 point 0.1 Solana value is 19.46 USDT. Cool. After that, second step. Second step is KYC, and that reward is an if situation. Okay, you will be getting a double bonus reward, double bonus, but there is a chance, 50-50 chance. 50% people might get it, 50% people might not get it. So it depends on a chance. Okay, don't think like if you are lucky enough, it depends on the algorithm. It's not even the lucky, it depends on the algorithm. Okay, so what it will make? 0.1 multiplied by 2, which will be equal to 0.2 sol, which is 0.2 Solana. 38.93. 38.93 is a value of Solana. 38.93 US. It is the value of for those people who will be getting a double bonus reward. Okay, if you get a double bonus reward, that is the value you should be expecting from Solana. Okay, that is the value you should be expecting from Solana. Now goes for the third reward. Third step was deposit. Third step was deposit. Deposit how much? And USD or more. Now, with this, there will be the reward. First, let me write a reward. Reward is a surprise multiplier. Yeah. Reward is surprise multiplier. Okay, and the surprise multiplier is going from where? From the range of 5x, and it goes up to 100x. It is coming from surprise multiplier is going from 5x and it is going up to 100x. Let's imagine that you got a common response of 10x over here. 10x is a very common response. Okay, so in this situation there will be not one but two scenarios. Why two? because people who got the double bonus reward will be multiplied by 0.2. The people who did not got the surprise double bonus reward will be multiplied by 0.1. Got it? Very simple. Now you are gonna have 0.1 multiply, no thanks, 0.1 multiply by 10. Obviously, yeah, why? Obviously, it will become one soul, and you know the value of one soul is 194 USDT. USDT, it is one and the same thing. They both value at the same. They both have a same value. And another one will be 0.2 multiplied by 10, which will be equal to 2 soul, which will be equal to 389 USD. Okay, 389 USDT you will be having. So now, how many options do you have? You started from reward of 19 USDT and you can go up to 194, or you can make that thing 389. That is a difference. You see the difference from just like by the quantity, and we are giving the exact same. We are giving you chance, not one but two chance to make your quantity bigger so that you can have a bigger value, a bigger profit. Getting my point? Very simple. ZBits new user reward. Follow the step. First step registration, second step KYC, third step deposit. Earn such kind of amount which is unbelievable. If you get two soul, you can wait and hold it for longer period of time. Like I told you, Soul's ETF is about to come by October. It will obviously pump its value to maybe 500 or maybe 1000. Just imagine if you have two soul, which is valued at not 1194, but maybe 500 or maybe 1000. If you hold it, then you will be having extra value for your profit. Okay. So this was decided for Bitcoin and Solana. Same way you can do it, same exactly way you can do it for XRP, Ethereum, blah, blah. In exactly same way. I hope you have understood it. Okay. So we are done with that scenarios. Let's go and wait for some trades. Right. We'll try to analyze the market of, like, we'll see which is giving us the best opportunity to enter in, buy, sell in whatever situation. We'll check out the coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and we will see which of those coins can give us a short-term fun profit. Right now we have less than an, okay. From making a new all-time high level of 124, market has dropped heavily, but it has taken a good support from this fair value gap. We will note that fair value gap so that in the future case, if the market tries to follow, we have not one, but we have this many gap. Like this is one gap, which is till here, which made this swing, and we also have another one which is this. They both are fair value gaps, so I'm gonna like rather than making confusion that why there are two blocks there, these are the two fair value gaps. I will change one's color into a little light green and one's color into a little dark green. Okay, this one I'll change the color little into light green. But they both are fair value gaps. FPG a little big. Same, this is also a fair value gap, so I'm gonna write FPG again. Okay, so we have two fair value gaps. So if the market tries to decide to go in a wrong side, like to go in a fall down, we have two scenarios. One, either the market can tap into this scenario and have a little pushback, or it can tap a little more below and have a little pushback. We have two scenario where a reversal may can happen. I'm not guaranteeing it because none of the fair value gaps guarantee you that a reversal can happen. Fair value gap is just there to see if a limit order is placed over there, a big player entry might come. Might. Always keep in your head that this is not a confirmation of your to enter. Okay. Don't go by the sentiment trading. Sentiment trading will cause you so much loss in the trades. Cool. So this is the one thing. Other than this, if you consider the first wave, no, we are having, if you look at the break, if you look at the structure, we are having a smart money concept. Let's go. If you put it over here, the change of character has happened, but break of structure is yet to come. Once this top will be broken, we will see that a break of structure will about to become. It's like making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay. Right now, market has taken just one step, which is this. Market may can come down. This coming down is a retracement. If it breaks this scenario, then this will be called as break of structure. We may be getting a confirmation that an uptrend can come, but this is not a confirmation for you to go till this point, because between from this point to this point, any time and heavy reversal can come because of the fair value gap which is sitting above. Can you see the fair value gap, number of fair value gaps for the red side, number of fair value gaps? I will show you. Okay. Number one fair value gap for the right side is this. This is a red. Then one small is here. Then another one here. So many fair value gaps in between. So it will be very hard for a market to actually go for a buy position right now. It may occur, it may be like it may go for a downtrend, but as we can see, big player can change any scenario into anything. So we have to look for those situations. I will simply just go and inducement. I will cancel and I will put fair value gap so that I don't have to draw the rectangle again and again. If I just point it out, see, you can see this was the fair value gap, this was the fair value gap, fair value gap, fair value gap, fair value gap, fair value gap. So many fair value gaps for the red side, very few one for the green side. That gives us one condition to know that market is right now bearish, not bullish. And I have told you this one thing, that always try to take a trend according to the market trend. Do not take a reversal trend, because sometimes it backfires so much. What kind of chart pattern is forming? I am always curious to know any chart pattern which is forming. A little fall of resistance and a little fall of support I can see, but I'm not sure about it. I have to confirm it by entering into the lower to lower time frame. Yes, I see fall of the resistance and fall of the support. You know what it means. It is a bullish flag is forming, which may can give us an uptrend. May. But it doesn't even look like a bullish flag. It's falling, but not in that scenario. We'll wait for it to confirm. I cannot be this much sure in 15 minutes until unless I see some chart pattern formed in an higher time frame like 1 hour. I always feel very dicey. But in here 15 minutes you can clearly see it is a bullish flag pattern. Resistance is falling, support is falling. But in 1 hour we cannot see it in that accurate level. In 1 hour it is very abnormal, too abnormal. We'll try to wait to figure out if it is gonna be hmm. It may can try to go to this fair value gap to maintain that bullish flag. But in 1 hour, as I told you, it is not looking that accurate of bullish flag. What is happening in a whole day scenario? In day scenario as well, you can see this is the small fair value gap, and market has taken support from that. The previous candle took the support from this. This candle took a support from this. It will fall from the market. After making a double top pattern, market took a little retracement for upside. It can be a cause of liquidity trap as well, and market will start falling soon because from the neckline itself it has taken a little pushback above. Let's go for Ethereum. Four, five, ABC, ABC. A little downfall of the market maybe can expect it. Ethereum. Everywhere you can see right now retailers are trading. In Bitcoin as well, right now retailers are trading. Market is having a consolidation phase. So the best thing which we can do right now is make a box of consolidation and wait for it to have a breakout. Because after consolidation, after breaking this scenario, only either we can have go for a down or for the upside. Whenever you encounter such scenario where it's just the market is going sideways like this with small candle, the best thing which you can do is here make a box from the lowest point to the highest point of that thing and wait for it to break either up or either down so that you can enter. And also sometimes check RSI if there is a divergence so that we can early enter in the yes. Okay. See crossover down. In 1 hour, it is about to make a crossover. If it falls till this point, now I'll be sure about something. If it takes support from here, I'll be sure about one thing that it can be a bullish pennant pattern. I want to be sure about it. There is no diversion, so I'll wait for this to break. Other thing is Bitcoin. Does Bitcoin has any RSI? Mm-hmm. In Bitcoin, the best thing we can do is make a consolidation phase right here, because that's what market is doing. Let me change the color of it. No, white, purple. Purple is better. That's our consolidation phase. If it has any kind of breakout, we might enter. But Ethereum looks more promising for the bullish pennant pattern. Flagpole, support rising, resistance falling. Let's see. We'll wait for this scenario. Let's see. Mm. Let's play game till 10 point. Why there is an update? Shit. Update. Yes. मैंने इसके नजर कुछ I don't know, pressing already. Let's go first matchup. My voice. Hello, hello, people. Can you hear me? Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. My voice. You can hear me. You can hear me. Oh shit. You hear me. Shit, oh shit. Let's go, let's go, let's go. A goblin cage in the between that will take care if he has poison or anything. I can just do this witch over here to support it. Okay, which should make fast, which should be fast, like we should make everything fast. Hmm. Some damage we will have from the valk, but that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Okay. That's okay again. We are up in the match. इसके गली कदम में छोड़ा जाना करना था कर डाला है ये तो। अरे अरे बहुत दूर बहुत दूर, very far, very 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 far. Took advantage of elixir. But it's fine. It's fine. We also have things we can pull off. We also have things which we can pull off, which we will pull off. It won't pull off by that. I need this here, this over here, that over there. Okay, this over here, this over here. Magic this, magic this. Uh, First game is always a loss for me. The next games are always the good for me. Yeah. Let's laugh. One more game. Elixir disadvantage. Paste and elixir disadvantage. I paste. Direct tower, direct tower. Yes, please. Let's go. Good luck. Good luck. Anything, anything. Hurry, yeah. It didn't work like that. Didn't work like but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Very bad, very bad, very, very, very bad, very bad, very bad decision. Very bad decision. And that tower is gone. Bad decisions. Bad decisions. I made bad decisions. I made bad decisions. Bad decisions. Bad decisions. Whoa. I made bad decisions here, which costed me this. Bad decisions. Bad decisions. Let's go. No bad decisions. Poison. Zappies. Bomber tower. Cannon. Cannoneer. Cannoneer. I don't know who is running the cannoneer. Nobody runs a cannoneer. Mhm, mhm, mhm. Let's see. Let us see. Late, late. I was like a late. Okay. This is tit- tit- halfway cross. Let's see what he puts. According to that, I will put something. Okay. So over here. Okay, 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 okay. Maximum defense. I love Bomber Tower because it's like a maximum defense card. Maximum defense you can do with this. This maximum. अरे यार अरे यार अरे यार wow. Let's go on that side. Back. Hit spawn. 'इसकी गली को दिल में छोड़ा वो ना करना था कर डाला ला 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 है ये दिल दीवाना He couldn't do anything. He couldn't budge. He couldn't budge. Tried from every direction. Couldn't budge. 5 more minutes, guys. Last game of mine. Then I will go We'll see tomorrow. Why? But it's fine. But it's fine. Maximum difference, obviously. Maximum difference. Let's go. Ice wizard in the bark. Okay. Followed by electro dragon. Okay. What's the point? Prince from this side. Maximum defense over here. I think it will take care. He can take care. Yes. Bomber on that side. Ice wizard on this side. Which this two can take care of the stuffs I feel. And this. Okay. Okay. जिसके गली में तुझको छोड़ा. Okay. Bomber tower for everybody. Those stupid girls really, really run by. Don't look here, don't look there, run. इसके गले को हमने छोड़ा जाना करना था कर डाला है ये दीवाना है ये दिल दीवाना है ये दिल. Can't win. Can't win. Last game, and we'll go bye bye to all of you. Just wait for. I really believe that this is a bullish trend pattern, and it will give us a breakout. So wait for the breakout. It is giving us a breakout down. Oh yes, breakout came, but it is coming to the fair value gap. So you wait. See, limit order got selected at the fair value gap over here. Longer lower wick. People went for the sell side, then again comes. This is how liquidity trap happens. Sudden buy. Why? Because of the limit order got placed. Okay. Go fireball. Bowler. Mega Knight. Heavy deck. Heavy deck. Heavy deck. And heavy deck. Breakout down to breakout up. This is how liquidity trap happens. मैंने उसकी नजर को छोड़ा, गली में तोड़ा, जो न करना था कर डाला, आए दिल। अरे यार, shit, 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 shit. I should have dropped it there, but dropped it there. That's fine. That's fine. Not that much damage. I covered it. I covered it. At least one. Come on, Sappy. I knew you could do it. Mhm. Fast, fast. A one hit, a two hit, a one hit, a two hit. इसके गले को दिल में छोड़ा, जो न करना था कर डाला। Finish. Let's wait because we are little low in elixir. We should wait. Okay, let's go. That's my time. Thank you so much for today. I'll come back tomorrow, same timing, 12 to 4. I will see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Do not forget to follow all of our platform and especially Telegram, because on Telegram we share a lot of information regarding what's happening in the market. We are available only 4 hours in the YouTube live stream, but for 20 for in Telegram 24/7 there are people available for you on the Telegram, and it will update you regarding each and everything whatever is happening in the market, uh, what can we do, what can we expect in the market, each and everything. So One second. So do not forget to follow all of our handles. It's in the description: Telegram, Instagram, Twitter, each and every platform you should be following. Okay. So bye bye, guys. Thank you.